not going in, right? So sometimes you need a little bit of extra force to make it go in.
Now that there's nothing in here, it should work, right?
Well, hold on.
Did I miss something?
So there's one more thing you got to do. You got to really just...
Yeah?
Yeah, you might need to adjust the angle of your throw.
I think if I get that.
Yeah, okay, so too much of a bounce there.
Okay,
Let me pull out my computer repair tool here. It's just this little cool tool that really helps me out. So I can just really see what's going on inside of here. Getting these wires nice and cooking. And black wires actually send electricity in faster. So turning this black with the fire is actually a very viable technique here to getting a faster running PC. So, you know, Google Chrome will actually run with more than like 5 tabs or multiple windows open, for example.
So is this supposed to be a handle or something? Or I don't quite know what I'm cooking with.
Let me see what you're... Oh, shit, man, I'm so sorry.
Oh, man. Can we pull that? Oh, it couldn't have been that important. I'm not sure how much more I have to get out of here.
Look at this. It's the government implanted microphone.
Is this important? Do I need this?
Let me look at that. Oh, oh, see, now that is actually a very good thing to extract from your motherboard because you can put this into your brain, perform some surgery at home. You can put this into your brain. It'll actually make it run 20% faster with this.
Okay, so that's a little stuck in there.
Yeah, I think we got it.
These are hard to come by.
Oh, I almost got to stick into this. Fuck, so close. Oh, there we go.
There you
Finally.
go. Now you've extracted the built-in cup holder for your PC.
Sweet, I can use this now. It's fucking waiting.
Yeah, it's really just not wise that they actually put that in the PC, honestly.
It's just such a hassle to get out, I feel like.
Yeah. Like, I don't see why you'd be storing a drink in your PC. You know, if you're showing the water cool, but overall, I think it just works better outside.
I think I found something that'll help the power.
Oh yeah, that'll help dig up some old files.
Let's just get this.
Yeah, so generally this is really just par for the course for most computer repair methods. What we're showing you here is actually
Oh
the
shit, this
advanced
shovel's broken.
expert package.
I think it has been, but...
Costs about $50 more. Very good deal though. Okay, try starting it from inside.
So... do it the old-fashioned way.
The wonderful solution to make it go faster is to give it a tire.
Yeah,
Yeah, so now it can run probably like 4 times as fast.
okay. If you want to go on your PC or do some e-shopping, you totally can. So,
I think you did that a little wrong. I gotta do it more like this.
yeah. Yeah, that's how you get your e-shopping done. Penniless to you, because you just need to take one of these. They're free at the parking lot.
And now for our delivery service. Now once we're done repairing the computer, we gently put it in our advanced shipping container. Gently, of course.
Of
course.
And it is ready to be shipped back to the customer.
Nearly forgot this.
And of course, nearly forgot that. Wouldn't want to forget these vital, perfectly intact computer parts.
Now this is the computer that can really run.
I guarantee you will be satisfied.
If you can get any game to work on this computer, it will run perfectly, guaranteed.
You know, CSGO, Rainbow Six Siege, Sonic Goes to the Real World, any game really.
Now this product is ready for shipping.
Here, let me see that advanced computer repair tool there. You might need a certification before you use this. It is kind of a tool that requires a certain amount of finesse. Here, let me show you generally what this does here. that's how you know you've done it right.